Hello everyone. So as you may or may not know, this is my temporary mining rig, and today I got a package from IKEA that will hopefully be the new home of my mining rig. So I'm gonna start the assembly soon as I've got some food in me, and then try to fit all of this there some way. Not sure how to do it really, but yeah, I'll figure it out, and hopefully that will work with the cart I ordered from IKEA. It's the Dragon cart that I ordered. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a link to it in the description below for anyone who's interested, and hopefully it will work out well, and I'll let you guys know in a bit. So here it is, finally assembled. I haven't tried to boot it up yet, but this is how it looks like right now. So the power supply and SSD at the bottom. On the middle here we have the motherboard. You can see the cables going from the power supply and up. And up top we have the graphics cards. So I think should be able to fit 6 here if you squeeze them together. But yeah, but since I only have 2 at the moment, that's all I can do. And I just did zip ties to have them stick to the frame. Maybe not the best solution, but it works. It's fine. It's cool. Other than that, I don't know if there's much more to talk about. Now it's much easier to move around, and I'm gonna boot it up and see if it works. Can probably just plug it in. So hold on guys. I'm gonna put you on the stand here, see if that works. What's in place? Power cable. Ooh. Let's see if it's turn it off. And like that. Is everything in place? Looks like it. And let's see if we can fire it up. Power on. Well, the power supply on. And where's my start button? It's over here. I think started moving. That's a good sign. Oh, yeah, I know, I forgot. Mouse and keyboard. That's good to have. But we have a picture at least. Mouse, the keyboard, oh. Okay, we're logged in. Oh yeah, Ethernet cable. That's a good thing to have if you want to mine. Plug that in there. One. That. It's flickering here, but that's probably because the display adapter connected to the cable. Maybe it's not plugged in correctly. Device management, yep. Display adapters. And yes, we have two. That's awesome. Let's just run this. See if it starts mining. GPU 0, 1, yes. And we have liftoff. We're finally back in mining with the new mining rig. That's not temporary. So next step here is just pretty much fill up with more graphics cards. I'm also gonna swap out the motherboard. Well, I'm gonna have this, well, the same model. I'm just gonna switch this one out because I'm gonna RMA it because I can't run more than 4 gigs of RAM in it. But other than that, it's all good to go from here. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you soon again. Bye.